Yo, what's going on, you guys? And hey, I got another vlog for you guys. Basically, we're going to be going to like this event. Actually, we're basically going to this event, and I'm basically gonna be cutting these kids' hair. We're basically struggling, so it's like a back-to-school bash type thing. Kids get, you know, school supplies, this and that. I think there's gonna be games or something there for them, and then also it's then there's gonna be a couple barbers. Gonna be me, hopefully some other barbers there to cut these kids' hair. But before we go ahead and go there, I was like, I kind of need like a do-rag and probably a new brush, and I got something. I basically got some new stuff. Basically, I just got free stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go with the first one. The first one's from Durag Wave LLC. I do have a discount code for this one. This one is 360 Woods. If you guys want to go ahead, the link will be down in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and go check that out. Oh snap. Oh snap. Bro, this is some heat right here. I'm not even playing, bro. This is some straight heat right here. We got a nice silky durag that says brush it. Stitching on the outside. I feel like that look dope as hell. That looks super dope. Y'all need to go pick these up. Like, y'all, these are a quick pickup real quick, man. And y'all get a discount code 360 Woods at checkout. Come on, bro. Like, y'all need to go ahead and pick these durags. These are dope. It literally says caution, risk of drying. I think this is dope as hell. This one looks like an off-white one too. Y'all look at this. We got an off-white durag. Bro, if y'all want to go pick up these durags, bro, I will leave the link down in the description below for you guys if you guys want to go ahead and pick up these durags, because I'm telling you guys, these are some dope durags. And you, like I said, and I give you guys a discount code, again, 360 Woods, if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. Now, we are going to be, got a package from Woofing Waves. Y'all already know I did a couple videos with them. I love their products. I love their ideas. It's something different. You know what I'm saying? Everything that they do at Woofing Waves is different, and I love that. I love unique companies, you know, companies that aren't trying to be like, you know, all the other companies, you know, all the other brush companies out there. I got a Woofing Waves. It's a Woofing Waves Elite tool. They came out with their comb. Oh man. Now this is why I was like, okay, this is about to be dope. Look, it comes extra protected in some Ziploc baggies though. I'm digging the look. I love the red bristles, guys. It's something I've never seen before. Like I told you guys, I've never seen any brush company have different color bristles. I feel like this is dope. It's unique. It's something that looks cool. It's something that's gonna turn some heads when you're walking past with this brush. People are gonna be like, wow, like red brick. You know what I'm saying? It's really different. You know, definitely stand out. This feels really good. Oh, we got the red. We got the red and blue. Okay, I'm digging it. Dang, we got the yellow and red bristles right here, man. This is dope. This is dope right here. I will leave the link down in the description below. Also, like I said, I'm gonna try to get a discount code for you guys. If I do, I will leave it right here. Because yeah, I just love helping you guys. You know, I'm gonna try to show you guys these brushes a little better. So let's see if I can. Finally made it, but I'm basically gonna have to get set up and different things like that, because I only got about like 30 minutes, I think. But we gonna go ahead, get set up, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm all ready. cap, I'm tired as hell. I'm exhausted. Alright, so the event is finally over. I'm tired, I'm hungry, so I'm basically just gonna eat, take a nap probably, and then I'll pick up the vlog right when I'm done doing all that good stuff. Whoo! I feel so much better now that I finally got to take a nap. Right now we head into an open house. It's my cousin's open house, so we gonna go ahead, head to that real quick. But the day's almost over. We almost, you know, got up. Oh snap! Right on. But when we get to the house, I'll start recording again. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and tell you guys what's going on, okay? Like I usually say, I'm the worst vlogger ever, okay? I don't know what it is about me vlogging, like I'll be good for like half the day and then I stop recording. But you know what? This is the end of the vlog, you know. It's 2 days after I was a little sick. Not a little. I was f***ed up. I was messed up. Now, I tried to do a little editing, came to the point to where I was like, I wasn't creative and thinking outside the box. So I just said, you know what? No, I'm gonna give myself time, at least a day, to, you know what, you get myself feeling a little bit better. I'm feeling a tad bit better. I got some videos for you guys. I was gonna try to make a roast of my subscribers ways, didn't work out. But it's gonna be coming out soon for you guys. I'm gonna probably upload one more video, just something that I have in the gallery, okay? And I'm gonna upload that for you guys, so you guys still have something to watch. But you know what, hey, like I said, I'm feeling a little better, just in case. I don't want you guys to be concerned or anything like that. But I just had to come on here and do the outro real quick for the video. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below, because you guys already know the videos, comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out.